LiuYang-Auto. Over 13 years of manufacturing excellence. Since 2018, our tire inflators have consistently ranked as the #1 bestseller on Amazon across many countries. 18,000 square meter facility produces over 5 million units with a daily capacity of 20,000 sets. Backed by ISO 9001 and BSCI certifications, plus product certificates for multiple markets, with 150 patents and a professional R&D team. We offer top-tier OEM and ODM services to global brands. Over 200 premium products. We offer a diverse range to meet every market need. LiuYang-Auto, your reliable partner for premium tire. Please contact us to power your business.